I remember.
What do we do? What do we make this video?
It's about how windy the sky is right now.
Let's go from 1 to 10, I say 10.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's a tornado! I got this thing that was!
The heck? Steven!
Stop trying to come over! Guys, it's the room!
What was that?
The train was cracked together!
What's happening? This is not California anymore. This is like a freaking windy outside.
That's
That's California. California. Sheila! Okay. So, kid. No, stop. 360 slaps, go. Oh.
Hey, guess what?
What? Chicken butt.
Guess what?
Chicken butt.
I gotta tell you. Look how you say something. Secret about Eric.
How you miss, kid?
You wanna go scooping?
Look at that, man. It hit these nuts. Hey. Huh? What? Kid?
You know when it was Cookie's birthday?
What?
About a week ago.
I don't know. What, kid? Tell me, kid.
Hey, that's what, kid. Get my fucker. Shut up.
Hey, kid, don't say that right in front of my camera, kid. Like, I'm gonna send this right to YouTube, right?
Okay, I'm not saying it to YouTube. Take it around. Okay, guys? Just keep sending comments.
What? Look at the little fat kid right there. Come on, kid.
I'm gonna run Jordan, right?
Well. No! You should calm down, kid. You'll be like, calm down. You'll be like that.
Are you like corn dogs?
Yes.
Then let me tell you something.
What? You know what I like? Big ice cream scoops. No kidding. I thought.
No, I'm spicy. Every time I talk. Oh, I move my left.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
I don't know my left cheek and it hurts.
I didn't know what was gonna happen. I was trying to scoop you.
That's why I didn't want to scoop.
Hey, you trying to scoop me, kid?
Yeah, corn dog, you see.
Haha, you didn't mean it.
Let's go do something inside your house, kid.
Alright, kid.
Okay, fat.
Alright, fatso. Alright, ass monkey.
Like who's talking, red monkey?
You are, you ass monkey. Look who's talking.
You?
These nuts. What can we do? What can we do? I'm not gonna go back to give away my secret identity.
Ryan said the video here. We're gonna go record another video of Black Ops.
Alright, I don't know what this fatso was. If you could get 5 likes.
We're gonna make another video! Alright, that's so much. I don't think you're gonna get that much.
Alright guys, like, subscribe, comment.
Ryan, you're crazy if you wanna get that much! Comment below if you want more Black Ops 2, 3, or what.
This is auto. Yeah, any Call of Duty.
Except the very first one.
I had the very first one, but see my house song though.
Never mind.
See, I'm the most epic Call of Duty collector of all times. If you guys want to see me, you guys want to see anymore? What Call of Duty game you guys want us to play?
Comment down below.
Yes, kid. Comment down below what you guys want to play. Bye.
And if you guys have another game you guys really like, we'll see if we have it and we'll play it.
Alright, you know what games we have? Do nuts. Bye.